Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame, this is my jam, and I just had my jam. I just got off my live with Dawn, and it was just really exciting. Thank you everybody who did watch it. It was just a discussion on the women who ran Fifth Avenue, and
that's a book.
It's a book, and I am just giddy right now because I just enjoyed the discussion, and it was so nice to get to talk to Dawn again. We always joke that we're cousins that aren't related, because we're related. Just yeah. So it was a really good discussion, and now this is, and I'll be honest, this came and I wanted to open it immediately, and you know, I love my bags, and I get excited about every bag, and I especially get excited when I open every bag. But, like, this bag to me it's like one of those that's just a little extra special. And it might surprise you with what it is, but then again, maybe it won't. And it came from Macy's. And I've not seen anybody unbox this bag. I've never seen anything even really remotely, people even showing anything much related to this. This was not on the Coach website.
Wait, so it's Coach?
Oh yeah, it's Coach. Thanks for pointing out that. Just because I have a big mouth. But it wasn't on their website.
Wah, wah.
And, well, I think people know when you got Macy's, in a bag. But, it wasn't on their website. I have not seen it on their website. And I have not seen it anywhere else. And I saw this, and it's very similar to what is on the Coach, at the Coach outlets right now, but this is different. And I didn't buy any of the things at the Coach outlet, even though we've driven by there a number of times even, and there was something that caught my eye, and I can't see it yet. I'm really excited, and I want to love it as much as I think I'm going to love it. And
like loving every minute
so
of it?
I'm super nervous. But it's right here. And
I'm
like
sensing a color.
I'm gosh. It's denim, but not blue. And the Coach outlet has some bags in these colors, and Macy's had 3 bags like this that, again, I've not seen on the Coach or the Coach outlet website. And if I really like this one, there's another one I might get in a different color, but we'll see. But this, when I saw this color in this bag, it spoke to me.
We saw the color already.
You can see it a little bit, but
I want to see the full Monty here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's better. It's better than I expected. Oh my gosh. I love it. This is the Coach Tabby 20 in the green denim. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. It's better than I expected. I thought it was going to be a lighter green, and I was kind of hoping it would not be the exact color it was showing up on the website, and it would be a little darker, and it is. Look at me. I'm just a crazy person taking everything out of here because I just want to show you guys. There's the dust bag right here. But it is the Coach Tabby 20. She's so cute. In the green denim with the silver hardware. I can barely talk, and this is a Coach bag.
That's something with her barely able to talk.
I'm just, oh my gosh.
We better write this down.
Stop it. They had like the Coach outlet had some of the green bags, and none of the bags really spoke to me. So I'm like, no, I'm just not going to spend the money on the bag. And then I didn't want to spend the money on this bag because it was full price, and I don't like paying that for Coach bags, especially. I got Rakuten, but yeah, that's but I just couldn't help it. I thought if if other people see this and like it like I do, they're all going to buy them, and then I can't get it. So I had to buy it. But the other color that I really like that's out is yellow. And, or gold, you might say, yellow. But I will try to wait till that goes on sale. If it does. I'm just, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm a crazy person. I'm talking fast. I'm just, wanting you to see this in all its glory. And here, try not to break it. And, yeah. Now I'm pulling the strap through here. Just want everyone to just kind of see it. I'm a crazy person. Here's the...
Take all the stuff off before you show it.
I just want to show it. You're always the voice of reason.
Mm-hmm.
Some of this stuff...
As long as I'm not a bully.
No, you're not a bully. You're anti-bully. Okay, now we'll do a full spin. Okay. Make sure that's... Okay, good. So here's the front, the side, the back with the slip pocket,
ooh,
the side,
ah,
the silver hardware, no feet, doesn't need them.
No.
And you open up
feet
this,
till Brooklyn.
And it opens up to, this is denim as well. This is all denim inside here too. And there's that pocket. And then there's this little pocket that's magnetic. And I am in love.
We couldn't tell.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We know that this is like my new favorite bag now. I have my silver one, my black one, my yellow one. Now we have my little denim one. And I might get the yellow one. But that has to go on sale. I will hold off until that goes on sale.
So
but
we need to know. How much was this one?
That's a secret. So I got, I just took the chain thing right off.
And she broke it.
She did not break it. It's one of these things.
It's broken.
It is not broken.
I'd send it back.
It's not broken. You just want me to send it back, but.
That's a terrible flaw. It should go back.
No, it's not. Although the way I make it look, it does look like a terrible flaw, because then I can't get the thing back in. I'm under so much pressure. There we go.
Are you though?
You gotta, but somebody told me to use a little pliers on these and to make them tighter anyways, but look at how cool the tag is. I mean, just look at, would you just look at that? This is just so cool. I am so pleased. So I've seen these at the Coach outlet, the denim. It might be a little greener than this. I'm not sure.
It's greener in person for sure than it comes across on the camera.
But I mean, like the ones at the outlet seem a little greener. Like Kelly greener. Isn't this green and pink together good? But I just didn't like, they had like the Jame bag, and then they had...
Did they have the Mick bag?
No. And then they had one other bag, and just nothing, I wanted to love them because I love the idea of green denim, but they just did not speak to me. I couldn't make myself like one of them. So I almost bought the card holder. And I thought, girl, you have so many card holders that to buy then the Coach one just to get something in the green denim is stupid. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to look at a couple other websites and see if there's any other bags that came out, because I know sometimes Coach does that.
Lo and behold.
Yes, they have. Oh, jeez. I just love this size bag. I'm telling you, I've already done a video. We've seen it. Getting this bag instead of a mini Chanel.
We're going to have to put Macy's on the list.
It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm in my t-shirt, my pajama pants. I don't care. And it's all pink and it goes with the green. And I couldn't wait to open it. I was going to do this video later in the week. Because, as you know, it's Wednesday night. I just did my live, and I couldn't wait to open it, and I couldn't open it without you guys. So
I wouldn't let her.
I had to. You did not care. Yeah, in fact, I came up, and I'm like, can you film me? He goes, for what? And I said, for Saturday. Oh, Lord.
I I knew she had to open the box that the bag was in, so that's why.
I even told him earlier today we were doing quarters, and I'm like, I'm just giddy about this box because I can't believe it came out in this bag.
She was giddy as a schoolgirl.
I was, after thinking that I wasn't going to be able to get anything from this collection unless I bought something I didn't really like a whole lot.
Was it G. Gordon Giddy? Was that his name?
To get something that I absolutely love, like with a passion, is just
giddy up.
It's so awesome. So that's my video for you guys today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put contemporary and luxury related handbag content out on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every Monday or Tuesday, I do a bag swap where I swap from my current bag into the next bag and switch out my SLGs.
So I think this one's going to be in the rotation soon? I
don't know that it will, because this is usually like I'm running out of the house bag. And so this isn't...
And we know you're a shut-in. So.
I'm not. This is like, but no, like if I have to run out of the house or me and Turner are going to go thrifting or something, I always grab one of these. And then I put the necessities in it, and then I go, because you can cross-body it, and it's just nice and easy to go with. So, anyways, I was saying, I put out videos then on Mondays, or sometimes Tuesdays, where I swap out my bags. Every other Thursday, I do a book-related video, where I usually do a book haul, and or tell you what I'm reading, what I've been reading, what I want to be reading. And you can find me on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. I think that's everything. So I like when you make faces. So thank you so much for being here, though. I really appreciate it. And see, this came undone again. I'm sorry. I'm just still so giddy. Between doing the book live and then this, I'm giddy, but
she's on a bag high.
Yeah, and in a bag friend high, but I'm sorry. I'm just...
Say goodnight, Jamie.
Good night, Jamie. No, so thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Their flavor of the day is chocolate with nuts.